A regular Tuesday, coffee brewing, buses running, every borough getting exactly what it needs, right on time. Nobody thinks about the roads while the traffic is moving. That is the whole problem. Most people do not learn how the brain works until something goes wrong. Today, we go the other direction. Here in Neuroplasticity City, blood flow is the traffic. It starts out in Upstream County, rides the interstate into Broad Street, and delivers oxygen and fuel to every borough, every minute, all day. A stroke is what happens when that traffic stops, a blocked route or a broken line, and a neighborhood starts going dark. Now, here is the number that should be on every billboard in America. Up to 80% of strokes may be preventable. 80%. Most of the shutdowns this city ever faces never have to happen. Prevention is just road maintenance done early. So walk the city with me. Check the pressure in the lines. High blood pressure is the quiet one. It strains the vessels year after year without making a sound, and it is the biggest risk factor you can actually do something about. You cannot feel it. You can only measure it. Listen to the pump upstream. The heart and the brain are business partners. An irregular heartbeat, called atrial fibrillation, can let clots form and send them straight up the interstate. If your heart ever flutters, races, or skips in a way that feels wrong, that is worth a conversation with a doctor. Then the daily maintenance. Watch the sugar in the fuel line. Keep the traffic moving with a walk, a bike ride, a dance in the kitchen, and skip the smoke because it damages every vessel it touches. And do not sleep on sleep. Every night while you rest, the city runs its deep cleaning shift. Crews come out, wash the streets, and haul away the waste the day left behind. Scientists have a name for that overnight cleanup, the glymphatic system. And it only runs strong when you actually sleep. Your body also runs on an inner clock that tells the whole city when to open up and when to shut down. That clock is called your circadian rhythm. Keep it steady. Bed around the same time, up around the same time. A city on a steady schedule runs cleaner, thinks clearer, and carries less risk. One more thing everyone should know. Sometimes a route closes for a few minutes and then reopens on its own. Words slur. An arm goes weak. Vision blurs, and then it passes. That is called a transient ischemic attack, and it is not a free pass. It is the city warning you the big closure may be coming. Never ignore it. Get checked that day. And if you have already had a stroke, this is your story too. About 1 in 4 strokes happens to someone who has survived one. Your city has been through construction once. Protect those new roads. Take the medications as prescribed. Keep the follow-up appointments. Know exactly where your pressure and your sugar stand. Here is the good news hiding in all of this. Most of these numbers can be checked in one visit. Blood pressure, blood sugar, cholesterol. One appointment, and you know where your city stands. That is not fear. That is power. The city was running before. It is running now. Keep it running. Know your numbers. Reroute, rebuild, recover, rediscover,